Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to one of the most exciting releases in the travel and adventure segment, the all-new 2026 Mazda Camper van. Mazda has long been known for its blend of performance, design, and innovation, and this time, the brand steps into the camper market with a vehicle that's stylish, functional, and built for the modern explorer. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2026 Mazda Camper van a perfect companion for your next journey. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Mazda Camper van showcases Mazda's signature Kodo design philosophy, blending elegance with purpose. The exterior features sleek, flowing lines and a bold front fascia that gives it a sporty yet welcoming presence. LED lighting, sculpted panels, and aerodynamic contours make it look at home both on city streets and remote trails. Inside, the layout is intelligently designed, offering a compact yet luxurious living space. Premium materials, ambient lighting, and versatile furniture create a cozy, modern atmosphere ideal for long trips or weekend getaways. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the Mazda Camper van offers two dynamic options: a fuel-efficient hybrid powertrain and an all-electric variant designed for zero-emission adventures. The hybrid pairs a 2.0-liter Skyactiv engine with electric assist for balanced power and range, while the EV version delivers instant torque and whisper-quiet operation. Mazda's precision handling and advanced suspension system ensure a smooth, controlled ride even on challenging terrain. With regenerative braking and improved battery management, efficiency meets performance in every mile. Safety and technology. Mazda has equipped the 2026 camper van with cutting-edge safety and tech features to keep you secure and connected wherever you go. The iActive Sense suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and 360-degree monitoring. Inside, a widescreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while integrated navigation makes trip planning effortless. Smart home connectivity allows you to control lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems with voice commands, ensuring comfort and convenience on the road. Conclusion. The 2026 Mazda Camper van is more than a vehicle. It's a lifestyle statement for travelers who value freedom, comfort, and craftsmanship. With its refined design, efficient powertrains, and smart interior versatility, it redefines what a compact camper can be. Whether you're exploring winding mountain roads or relaxing by the coast, Mazda's newest creation is ready to make every journey unforgettable. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews and updates on the latest innovations shaping the future of travel.